Welcome to our YouTube channel Drooling Dishes. Our next recipe is mango kulfi, which is very easy to make and we can prepare it within a fraction of seconds. The ingredients are mango half cup, milk half cup, cream half cup, condensed milk half cup, saffron water and cardamom powder. First I am adding mango pulp. I have taken Alfonso mango. Next, half cup condensed milk. Half cup milk, saffron water along with saffron strands, and then some cardamom powder. Blend it into a fine paste. The instant kulfi mix is ready now. I have taken aluminium kulfi molds. Place some pistachios, almonds, and then pour the kulfi mix. Add some pistachios and almonds. Close it with the lid. 3 molds are ready now and I am going to freeze it overnight. After freezing overnight, now I am demolding the kulfi. The mango kulfi is yummy, creamy and it is delicious to eat. If you like this, subscribe our channel and share it with your friends.